I'm mullein leaf. If you're a smoker, drink me as a tea. I loosen the black tar in your lungs and help you cough it out.
I'm raw honey. Swallow a spoonful of me. I coat your scratchy throat with a golden shield and block the pain so you can sleep.
Hi, I'm Ginger. Chew on me, spark heat in your chest, boost circulation, and help flush out pollution toxins.
Eat pineapple for cough relief. My bromelain enzyme clears mucus, so you can breathe normally.
Eucalyptus. Put me in boiling water and inhale. I open up your wheezing airways instantly.